Hello children, hi, this is Farheen Miss. Today we are going to learn English poem of Unit 4. Catch them if you can. In this poem, poet is talking about chickens and hens. Here you can observe the picture. They are spread all over in the house, under the chair, on the table, in the kitchen, on the stairs. As we all know, we cannot catch them easily. So therefore, poet has named the poem Catch Them If You Can. Let us see what is in the poem all about. Come to page number 49 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. Catch them if you can. Listen, repeat and sing. So children, place your finger wherever I read. Chickens and hens, chicks in the farmyard, chicks in the pens, chicks in the kitchen, under the chairs, chicks on the doorstep, chicks on the stairs, chickens and hens, chicks in the farmyard but none in the pens. By Judith Nichols. Name of the poet of this poem is Judith Nichols. Chickens and hens, chickens and hens. Chickens are young ones of the hens. Chicks in the farmyard. Farm is an area or a land is used for growing crops and raising animal. Yard is the land beside the farm. Chicks in the pens, a place where hens live. It is also called as coop, C-O-O-P. There we keep hens. Chicks in the kitchen. They are all over in the kitchen. Under the chairs. They are under the chairs. Chicks on the doorstep. A step in front of the door is called doorstep. Chicks on the stairs. Number of steps to go from one floor to another is called stairs. Chickens and hens. Chickens and hens. There are many chickens and hens as you can see in the picture. Chicks in the farmyard, but none in the pens. But no chickens and no hens are in the pens where they are supposed to be. Okay, they are all over inside and outside the house. In the farmyard, in the pens, in the kitchen, under the chairs, on the doorstep, on the stairs. Okay, but none in the pens. These are some real pictures of them. Chickens are domestic birds. They eat worm, insects, grains and seed. They live in a coop, a kind of cage. Children, you might have seen in your farm or in villages people usually keep them to get meat and eggs. Those food are high in protein. These are some farm pictures. Farm animals. Cow, pig, horse, goat, rabbit, sheep, deer, chicken, duck. These are some pictures of farm animals. Children, farm animals are those animals which are raised on farm by humans for agriculture purpose and also to get milk, meat, wool and eggs from them. Children, through this poem we have also learned about the preposition words. A preposition is a word that tell us where a person, a place, an animal or thing is. It is also called as position words. Prepositions of place. Chicks in the kitchen, chicks on the stairs, under the chairs. Words like in, on, under shows us the position of place. Here it is showing the position of chicks. Where are they? In the kitchen, on the stairs, under the chairs. Now take out your English Reliable workbook number 4, page number 3. Let's revise some notes. Farmyard, an area of land beside the farm. Chickens, a domestic bird that people keep for its eggs. Stairs, number of steps to go from one floor to another. Chicks, young one of the chicken. Doorstep, a step in front of a door. Pen, a place where hens live. Listen and recite the poem with action as given in the textbook page 49. So children, you have to learn this poem with action. Where do you see chicks in the surrounding? We see chicks in the farmyard, pens, kitchen, under the chairs, on the doorstep and on the stairs. Complete the following lines by using the words given in the box. Chicks in the farmyard. Chicks in the pens. Chicks under the chairs. Chicks on the stairs. Chicks on the doorstep. Write rhyming words. Hens, pens. Chairs, stairs. Look at the pictures and name the farm animals. Horse, pig, rabbit, duck, sheep, cow. Read and write. Pens, P-E-N-S. Stairs, S-T-A-I-R-S. None, N-O-N-E. Kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N. So you have to write this in your workbook. Chickens, C-H-I-C-K-E-N-S. Doorstep, D-O-O-R-S-T-E-P. Farmyard, F-A-R-M-Y-A-R-D. Chairs, C-H-A-I-R-S. Write 4 lines about chickens. Chickens are domestic birds. They eat worms, insects, grains and seeds. Chickens live in a pen. They lay eggs. So children, learn and write dictation words and poem one time in your English notebook. I hope you understand my way of explaining this poem. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Fareed Miss. You will find an explanatory video on standard 2nd syllabus, the subject of English, Maths and English grammar topics starting from lesson number 1 up till now with notes of State Board Maharashtra. Guys, I want to reach to maximum kids so that in this condition of corona, children don't miss their studies. Lots of efforts I have put in making these videos so that it reaches them and they learn something from it. Please, viewers, don't let my efforts go in vain. So please comment below your views for further videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.